Welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to traders, or even if you're not a trader, this video will also be beneficial to you. Now, one of the things I want to say in this video, if you're a Forex trader or you are not a Forex trader, I want you to start investing in cryptocurrency. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, I know as a Forex trader, you're trying so hard to make money from the Forex market to be able to, pay your bills or to make your family proud. I understand. And I also understand the emotional ups and downs of a trader, whereby that your emotions are everywhere. You're trying to learn about yourself. You're trying to make the same mistakes or the same errors that you told yourself you don't want to make again. You keep finding yourself making these same mistakes. And these things are costing you money and also time. And guess what, guys? It makes sense for you to go through those things because all of those things makes you to become a better person as a trader. But one of the things I want you to do as a Forex trader is for you to start investing in cryptocurrency. It is very important. I know some traders don't have so much money to invest. The little capital they have, they just want to make money in the Forex market, maybe by flipping their money or buying a profit account. But one of the things I want to tell you is no matter how much capital that you have, no matter how little it is, try as much as possible to be investing in cryptocurrency. Very, very important. Now, I'm saying this because of experience, because way back in 2021, I made some money from cryptocurrency investment, from little investment I made in some cryptocurrency, and it was a wild success. And I can tell you, in that same year, I also lost a lot of money because, when you start making money in the crypto market, you kind of like feel invincible. You won't even know when you are already getting to the top. And guess what happens? You allow the whole money that you make, and guess what? The market take it back from you. But all of those things is experience because I'm now a better investor than I was in 2021. Let me give you an example. I bought few coins in 2021, mostly meme coins, and I made a lot of money from meme coins. I bought Safe Moon, I bought Safe Mass, I bought NFT Finance, I bought Peak Tokens, I bought another coin called Samoyod. That was a coin I bought. And guess what, guys? A Peak token alone, I put in $100 and it amount to 10,000 US dollars. It was crazy. Now the biggest of them was Samoyod, when I put in $200 and I was able to make $26,000 from that coin. That was in October of 2021. It was a wild success. And guess what happens? The bear market came in, we lost the money in different things online. But guess what? I've become a better investor. And if you do the same thing as well as a forex trader, you actually see yourself making money from the financial market, because it's not just always trying to force yourself to make money in the forex market. You can also utilize the crypto market, because why? You don't even need to do anything to make money in the crypto market. Just understand mostly the fundamental. One thing about crypto, one of the things that push it is narrative. And when people talk about something so well, it tends to pump heavily. All you need to do is to time when you're going to be entering. As a forex trader, you already have an edge whereby that you understand how to do market analysis. You know when to enter and when not to enter. Right now, I've become a better trader and also a better investor. So if you start investing in cryptocurrency right now, you will start making money. Even in this bull market that we're currently in right now, maybe we could see a retracement in Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. But the most important thing is for you to start making plans in investing in cryptocurrency. And you need knowledge to do that. And the knowledge you need to do that is not a very big knowledge. You can watch a couple of videos on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I posted a lot of basic videos that can teach you how to buy coin on decentralized exchange. Even I also made a video about some cryptocurrency I'm looking out for. Some of them are meme tokens, some of them are not meme tokens. There are about 3 meme tokens I'm looking out for in this bull market. One of them is Zen Crypto, another one is Doge, another one is Doge Chain. These are the 3 major crypto I'm holding, and I kind of like believe that this particular crypto will become huge in the future. There are a lot of noise out there in cryptocurrency industry. If you don't know what you're doing, you can easily lose money and start saying bad things around crypto. You don't need to. All you need to do is learn from your mistake and start to do something better. You can see the way I just specify the coins I'm looking at. All I'm doing is to keep doubling down on this crypto, to keep buying more. Even yesterday, I bought more Zen token. That is Zen Crypto, because I believe in Zen Crypto. I bought more because what is the point buying so many cryptocurrency and none of them do well. It's just very few. If I can be able to do analysis on one, and I'm very sure of that one, I put more money into it. That is what I'm doing right now, and that is my strategy. Putting money in different things can actually make it to lose, and that was the thing I was doing in 2021. And the ones that gave me money, I lost it in the ones that didn't give. Some of them were rock pulled, and different crazy things happened because you start seeing people posting crazy figures and crazy percentage on social media. Please don't fall for that. Always learn from your mistake and grow as an investor. I believe this video helped you. If you want to learn about crypto, I created a training that can help you to do that. It's basic training for anybody coming into the cryptocurrency space. All you need to do is to check the link in the description. It is beginners friendly. I made that training just for you. See you in another video.